Hello friends, this tutorial about adding Google search to your WordPress website using code snippet. WordPress has default search, which is good, and let's see how it looks. Let's search for snippet, for example, and this is how WordPress search shows your results. It searches your posts, pages, and shows results matching your theme. What are benefits of using Google search instead of default WordPress search? It has three main benefits. First one is if you have too many pages, say for example 10,000 or 100,000 pages, WordPress will become slower searching all those pages and showing relevant results. While Google search uses its own servers, it indexes all your pages, so it will be much faster without any stress to your server. It will show relevant results fast. And second benefit, if you have too many searches happening on your website, say for example 1,000 searches daily, then WordPress will get all those results every time from database and can slow down your WordPress and can stress your server. So Google will use its own servers. It will speed up your WordPress and it will not stress out your servers. And third benefit, when you have lots of content, lots of pages, users will have more relevant and better search results when using Google search. And there are also two main drawbacks when using Google search instead of WordPress default search. With Google search, for small websites, not all your content will be indexed, so they will not appear in your search. For example, if you have 100 pages and on one of pages you have important feature for your business, for example, some niche search, and if it's not indexed on Google, when clients search on your website, they will not find that page. And if it's important page, you want clients to be able to see and find that information. So that's one drawback. And another one is this design. For example, with theme, you get theme related design, and which looks good, but with Google you will see regular Google design with image description. You will see later in this video once I add Google search to my website. So adding Google search, we have 3 steps to add Google search to our WordPress website. First, we need to create a programmable search engine in Google. Navigate to this page, and this is how it looks. So log in with your Google account. Once you log in, you will see all your existing custom programmable searches, and you can add new one. If you don't have anyone, then you can add new one. Click this, create new search engine. So name it. I want to add search engine to my website. Say search. Search specific sites. Here enter your website domain. So here we want to add entire site like this. So I'm not using www, so I will add like this, webpod.com / and star. So it will show all results from my website. Add it. Say you are not robot, pass captcha, then create. Now you have created your custom search, programmable search engine, and it shows us code snippets that we can add to our website. Then we can click customize. We don't need that code snippet now, we need to customize it. We need to change look and feel settings. Click on it, and I want to show results only. I want to show search results on its own page. navigate to my website where I post code snippet. It is webpa.com/search-code. I'll post link in description. We completed first step. Now second step, we need to create a new page on our WordPress website. Click new page, name it search, and in content paste this shortcode, copy, paste, then save. And in permalink, don't use search because that will create infinite redirect error. So replace it with find, for example, or any other slug that you want. And remember this slug, permalink slug. So I used find here, update it. Then we will go to step 3, use following code snippet. We need to copy this code snippet. Select it, copy it. Now go to snippets page. I am using code snippets plugin. So I will add new code snippet here, add new. Paste code here that we copied from our website and name it search or whatever descriptive name you want to give, and select run only on front end, so it's visible only on front end. From here we need to replace these two placeholders. So first one is search ID that we get from programmable search engine. When we click on overview basic, here is search engine ID. We need to copy this, go to our code snippet and paste it here. And next variable, we need to change permalink slug. So we used find here. Save and activate. Now if we make search, for example, we searched snippet previously. Now these results are from Google search. Shortcuts that we added to this page creates a search page, and these are results from Google. So it's designed a bit differently, but it shows our most relevant pages first. For example, this page, code snippets for WordPress, is more relevant than previously results. So here are previous results, and code snippets is right here, down here. So when users search for snippet, that should be probably first result because it contains all other code snippet links in there, and it's more general and matches more user intent. And other results as well, you can see here. And as I mentioned earlier, downside of this Google search, if you have a small website and you have few pages, say 100 or less than 100 pages, not all your pages will be indexed, so not all pages will be shown in this search results. But if you have a big website, Google search is really beneficial for you. It will speed up your website, it will show relevant search results, and you don't need to worry about spending lots of money on server, lots of money to scale your website, as long as your existing hosting and existing setup can handle lots of content, and then you don't need to worry about searching and providing relevant results. So replacing search with Google is best way and easy and free way of speeding up your WordPress website. And for all WordPress website, I can get PageSpeed score 90 plus or even 100 on mobile devices, and I use a checklist that you can download from my website webpa.com/speed. It's simple to follow PDF checklist, and I use same checklist to speed up all websites of my clients, of myself, and it works for a long time, and for many years I am using same technique. You can get it from my website. Also, I have another video where I apply 3 steps from that checklist and speed up a WordPress website. It's a 7-minute video, and it's really quick fix if you have slow page speed score. Check that out, and probably you will fix your WordPress speed issues. See you in that video. Thanks for watching and liking these videos. It helps a lot. Bye.